Hi, my lovers. How y'all guys doing in this great day? Beach. Oh my god, I just got fucking attacked. They fucking abused me. I'm just like, look, honey boo boo. Now, why I'm talking like this? Now I'm going to straighten my hair. And I got my pajamas like this. Like this. I think it's a space and it has a helmet. And then this, a cute furry thing. And my hair is going into my mouth and I fucking hate it, bitch. And I'm sorry that I'm fucking cursing. Whatever, it's me, it's Atahan. Start. What you going to do? What you going to? So I'm going to straighten my hair. I'm not going to give. So yeah. So I'm going to straighten my curl. Like, it's not so curly. It's just I just don't like the shape of my hair. So I am going to. Oh my god. You know what? Wait a bit. Only for you guys. Now, you take your hair just like this. Yeah, just like this. And then just comb the back of your hair. Well, I'm growing my hair. Yeah. Well, I'm back in YouTube, motherfuckers. What you going to? That looks so good. We have to just wait to get the heat up. Like, you understand me? Yeah. I'm just waiting a bit. Now I'm just pulling the straightener forward, like slowly, because it has to straighten up here and it's curly, like a little bit curly. And just go like this. Yes, just wait a bit. So yeah, we're gonna do it like this. I'm just fucking kidding. Wait, damn, I look so gorgeous. Damn, I look so gorgeous. Damn, I look so gorgeous. Okay, so how to do it this. It is a good process. Wait a bit. I will catch you guys later because cash me outside my day. 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 So this part is so hard. So this section, I'm going to catch you guys later. Bye, my lovers. This part, no, it's this part. We have to wait. I love my hair so much. I have an obsession with my hair. Like, yeah. Bet you thought. Bet you thought. Bet you thought. Bet you thought. Which ones? Oh, yeah, it's going good. Yeah. And then the back of my hair. Wait, bitch. Wait. Well, I'm a real person. Let me just tell you that. I'm not fake. I swear. Just wait. So, I'm a poor ass bitch. Yo. I employ these niggas. They be grown men, but a lady boy these niggas. When the cookie so I gotta ship it away these niggas. But I never iPhone, Android these niggas, bitch. Okay, it's enough. Okay. Okay. Looks so good. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. Bitch, I look so good. Look, I look so good. Oh my god, look. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. 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 I'm giving it to you. I don't have no makeup on, so just bear with me. I'm a real person. I'm not fucking fake. Look, I'm not fucking. How about that?